Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Today we will discuss about the mail merge in LibreOffice Writer. As you know, previously we are using the MS Word software. There is in MS Word we are using the mail merge in the mailing tab, but now in LibreOffice Writer we are using in tool tab. So first we will discuss the meaning of the mail merge and how many documents are there. First is mail merge is a feature that is provided by LibreOffice Writer. It's used to send the same basic letter with a little modification, little changes to a large number of the people at the same time. We can make a letter and then we can send a multiple number of the peoples are here. There are two documents are here. First is main document. Main document contains a text or letter, that is a body part, and data source is contains the name address of the receiver. Now we will start our mail merge step by step. First we will go to the tools tab and click on mail merge wizard. When mail merge wizard open, first step is select starting document. You can see here in the steps in the left pane, select starting document. Here are four options, you can be choose anyone. Use the current document, which document you have to be open, you can be use that. New document, you can be open a new document also. Another you can be choose start with existing document, जो पहले से बने हुए document है, और start a template if you want to be use in a template. Template is in a pre-designed already that is built in your software. And after the choose one from there, then you can be click on the next option. Then we will follow the next step, that is the document type, which kind of the document you are using. It can be letter, it can be mail merge. After that you click on next button here. After that, third step is insert address block. You can see here there is not three options or four options are here. First option, select the address list containing the address data. If you having any kind of the database in yourself in your computer system, then you can be choose from there. Second is I here selecting the second option, that is the document contain address book में क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, that is explaining are here, like a title, address line 1, reason, post office code and country. And the third one, match the field name used to mail merge, which kind of the field you want to be used here, that you can be match here. Fourth is check the address data matches, which kind of the you have to data are using, you have to be check to that. So click on the next button here. When you click on the next button here, then address, select a address list. आपके सामने क्रिएट करने पर एक एड्रेस लिस्ट आएगी, देन यू हैव टू बी क्लिक ऑन दैट. आफ्टर द क्लिकिंग ऑन द सेलेक्ट एड्रेस लिस्ट, आपने कोई पहले से कोई भी अपना डेटाबेस बनाया हुआ है, देन यू कैन बी ऐड हेयर. अदरवाइज जस्ट क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट ऑप्शन एंड देन अ न्यू window will be appear, new address list, and you can be enter. You can see here new address book. You can choose according to the elements from here. You can see the left hand side address elements, which kind of the elements you want to be here. You just drag to there and drop in drag address element here box. आप इस address box में इसको कर दीजिए drag यहाँ पर, and you can see the preview in the here. Then click on OK button. When you click on the OK button, then it is also open a new field here. If you want to be use a predefined the database, so which kind of the options you are selecting, you can be select any option are here. Otherwise you can match your fields are also here. The third option was there in a match field. You will select your fields are here and match to them. Now finally you can see here in your select addressing book में, you can see here which kind of the data you had to be select. You can see the preview of that here. After that you can click on OK button. Now fourth option wizard is here, create solution. Create solution means it gives the kind of the greeting. If you want to be personalized greeting or solution here, if you want to be any kind of the greeting there, you can be enter there, select from here and enter in your letter, like dear sir, dear ma'am. It's actually greet to someone whom to sending the mail or letter. Then click on next button. Then fifth option is here, adjust layout. In the adjust layout, you have to be check your position of your content, how much you want to be given the left space, top space. According to your requirement, you can be adjust from here. Next is sixth option is here, edit document. If you want to be any kind of the editing here, you can be do here. You can see here the button is edit document. Go to the in your document and you can be editing from there. Next button option is personalized document. If you want to be any kind of the changes are there, if you want to be do anything and write anything in your letter and document, you can be personalized according to your requirement. And the last option is here, save, print or send. Here are four option also, you can select any one. सेव स्टार्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, स्टार्टिंग से आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को सेव करना चाहते हैं, किन्हीं दो डॉक्यूमेंट्स को मर्ज करने के लिए यू कैन बी यूज सेव मर्ज द डॉक्यूमेंट. थर्ड, प्रिंट मर्ज डॉक्यूमेंट. इफ यू वांट टू बी merge document print out, then you can be select this one. If you want to be send someone your document or email merge karke, then you can be use another option. After that, in the printing setting, you can be choose here which printer you have to be connect in your CPU. You can be select from here, and then how many copies you want to be there, then you can be select and give the number of the pages are here. Then click on print document and you can be take out a printer here. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.